Bitcoin has been pumping, and more recently, Ethereum has been on a tear. And historically, in the cryptocurrency market cycles, this could be indicative of an altcoin season popping off in the coming months or year. And here's a simple chart that outlines the typical path to alt season we've seen in previous flips from bear to bull markets. Phase 1, Bitcoin. This is where money flows into Bitcoin, causing prices to surge. And towards the end of Phase 1, money starts flowing into Ethereum. And then Phase 2, Ethereum starts, where Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin's price increases. Then towards the end of that phase, money starts flowing into other cryptocurrencies with a large market cap, like projects you can see listed in the top 20 or so by market cap size, which ushers in Phase 3, large caps, when large cap projects start going parabolic. And finally, Phase 4 is alt season, where large caps are outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum with price charts that pretty much go straight up, and then mid and small caps start following suit, going straight up. Meme coins are everywhere, and literally every single cryptocurrency, regardless of fundamentals, is just skyrocketing in price. And of course, alt seasons are one part of a larger cycle, so it's unsustainable, and eventually crashes back down from all-time highs to, in most cases, alts crashing down 90% or more. So with altcoin trading, there is a massive risk of massive losses, with some potential to make some massive gains. And the only guarantee for the most part is 90+% nosedive from all-time highs every single cycle. I've been messing around in the cryptocurrency space since around 2016, so I've experienced a few bear and bull cycles. And here's one of the main lessons I've learned when it comes to altcoins I want to explore together in this video. Look, this technology is extremely new and speculative. It takes a lot of money, time, energy, patience, and sacrifice to turn an idea into a profitable and sustainable business. So the no-nonsense, no BS reality is that over 90 to 95% of these 20,000 plus cryptocurrency projects out there will absolutely 100% fail. So why even bother investing in altcoins? Well, after experiencing these last few crypto market cycles, the best way to think about and approach altcoins is with the full intention to trade them, not hold them. Because when money does start to flow into altcoins during a bull market, on average, a lot of these coins, if they are not scams, and if this is their first bull cycle, can 50 to 70x in price in a very short period of time. I mean, even in the last bull cycle, Matic, we had talked about a few times, did like a 300x. So although a lot of these smaller cap altcoins do not have use cases, and even if they say they do, or even if they eventually develop a use case, we need to realize and understand when it comes to trying to hit it big time with altcoins in the middle of a manic altcoin season, all of their use cases are just to trade them. Yes, in alt seasons, the only way to potentially make some insane money, while literally risking it all, is to try and find altcoin projects early before they pump, and then to sell them at a higher price. Which is the opposite of what we normally discuss on the channel, because personally, I'm more of a long-term Bitcoin and Ether holder and prefer to only branch out when there are strong use case fundamentals, or if a project can be a sustainable business with income demand, providing value, and so forth. However, altcoin seasons are very real, very intense, and present some potential life-changing opportunities when we create a strategy on how to find altcoins before they pump, learn how to use our own wallets to interact with decentralized exchanges, because these altcoins won't be on centralized exchanges before they pump, and create and stick to a profit-taking strategy, which you can learn all about in this video guide for beginners by clicking on the link above. Cool. So before we get started, let me be very, very clear. Trading altcoins is gambling in a casino. Only people with extremely high risk tolerance, with money they can absolutely 100% afford to lose, who would be 100% okay with losing all the money they decided to gamble with, and who will accept complete and total responsibility for all of their potential gains and losses, are the only people that should even consider trading altcoins. Plain and simple. Trading altcoins is not for everyone. It's for degens. I do not recommend it. However, there is something interesting about this particular upcoming alt season, besides for the perfect storm we are likely in the midst of, which we've been exploring on the channel over the past several months. And it has to do with some new tools we will explore in this video that did not exist in previous cycles that can help us easily find and filter through new altcoins before they pump. Because back in the day, all we could do is use websites like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to sort through cryptocurrencies by market cap, to try to find smaller ones that were listed, and then start researching them from there by maybe checking out their website, their social media profiles, and basically just trying to get a lot of different information from a lot of different sources. Or what most people did that were not experienced in the space, they would wait until new cryptocurrencies were listed on a centralized exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or similar, and then FOMO into them, which is why we saw a lot of newly listed cryptos on Coinbase pump like crazy. So instead of waiting for a website or an exchange to list new cryptocurrencies, now there is a free tool we can use that is directly connected to different blockchain networks, like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, Polygon, and more, where we can see in real time new altcoins launching. How's it so? Well, an important concept many people that are new to crypto don't realize or understand is that cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, they're not a website or the internet per se. It's a network that we can connect to using websites like CoinGecko. However, there is a lot of lag time from when a new cryptocurrency is launched to when it gets listed on CoinGecko. So it's not the best way to find new altcoins before they increase in price from being noticed by investors that rely on CoinGecko or wait for new coins to be listed on Coinbase and similar. So today we are going to start our journey into the altcoin forest together, 2023 style. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and in this altcoin season preparation video series, we are going to explore a new free tool we can use that is directly connected to blockchain networks like Ethereum, where we can find newly minted altcoins before they pump. That also serves as an all-in-one place to gain information about the cryptocurrency, as well as easily execute our altcoin and profit-taking strategies. Please check out our sponsors, iTrust Capital, Ledger, and HeatBit. Trade cryptocurrencies tax-free within an individual retirement account, or IRA, with iTrust Capital. Make sure you are taking complete control and ownership of all of your digital assets and cryptocurrencies by using secure cold storage hardware wallets like Ledger devices, which for the next day or so comes with a special Bitcoin bonus for us. And passively invest in Bitcoin while warming and purifying the air in your home or office with HeatBit, a space heater that is also an easy-to-use Bitcoin mining rig, which we can pre-order their new HeatBit Mini at a 60% discount using the link below. So make sure to scroll down and use the links below to access the correct and official sites, as well as redeem any special offers they have for us. Sweet. Throughout the course of this video series, we will be exploring different tools we can use to help us throughout our crypto journey, as well as learning how to use different cryptocurrency wallets, how to use decentralized exchanges, and how to take profits step by step together. So in this video, we are going to explore Moralis Money, a free tool we can start using and playing around with to explore new altcoins and create our own unique strategies for picking gems before the next bull market, so we are prepared ahead of time to increase our chances of making gains. Moralis Money is an on-chain analytics tool that is very easy to learn how to use to find altcoins before they pump while avoiding scams. And it also offers real-time alerts for whenever new opportunities appear. So if you'd like to follow along, scroll down and use the link below to access the correct and official site to get started. Let's hit it. Click on the link below and you will arrive here on the home page where it says Find True Market Alpha. Use simple filters to find coins before they pump. Basically, Moralis Money is connected directly to different blockchains, and to make it easy to explore new cryptocurrency opportunities, it has built-in filters we can use for free that make the process quick and easy. So to get started, let's go ahead and check out their pre-made filters we can use to get a better idea of how powerful this tool is and why it could be important to invest some time using it sooner rather than later. Under the Get Started with Pre-Made Filters section, click on the See Top Coins Ranked by New Buyers this Month button to apply the filter, and we will be brought to this page, where at the top here, we can see the exact parameters applied by the filter, which is showing all altcoins on the Ethereum network, where buyers increased by at least 100 people or wallets in this month. Buyers means that someone bought the coin on a decentralized exchange like 1inch, Uniswap, or similar, which we will learn how to do step by step safely and securely together in this altcoin season preparation series, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified when new beginner's guides are released. So under this filter, we see a list of all the cryptocurrencies on the Ethereum network that meet these parameters. And to learn more about each coin, we can simply move across this row where we have the token name with a shield that displays a security score, or what's also called a DEX score, which is a number generated by an algorithm created by the project called DEX Tools. It measures information from the blockchain and other external information sources like their social media information, number of transactions, number of holders, etc., to determine a score between 1 and 99 to represent its probability of being a legitimate project instead of a scam. Moving along the row, we see its Ethereum contract address, which if we click on it will take us to a profile of the project on DEX Tools, with tons of information like a price chart, trading history, etc. In the next column, Moralis Money shows us the age of the coin, or how many days it has been since it first launched, followed by market cap, which is just the total number of coins in circulation multiplied by its price. Then next to that, the fully diluted valuation, which is just the total amount of coins that can ever exist that are both in circulation and currently not in circulation, multiplied by its price. The next column, we have number of holders gained or lost over the past week. And then the number of buyers over the last week, which measures how many new wallet addresses bought the coin in that time frame. Then next to it, we have the number of experienced buyers over the past week, which is the same measurement as buyers, except for the wallet address has a history of at least 100 outgoing transactions. And then in the last row, we have the liquidity over the past week, which shows the change in how much money is being traded for the specific project over the past week, whether more money is involved in trading the coin or less money over the week. Nice. So to get back to the homepage, we can either click the back button or click on the home button tab on the navigation bar to the left. Next, I'm going to start in the middle of the screen where we can add our own filters to apply and run a query. For example, under the Select a Metric dropdown, we can choose between coin age, security score, fully diluted valuation, market cap, holders, buyers, and experienced buyers. So let's try to create our own filter with parameters we think could help us find an interesting gem. Here I'm going to start with the security score metric that is greater than 80, so it's less likely to be a scam, and this number is provided by Dext Scoring, which is the only provider currently connected to the platform. And then I'm going to click Add Another Filter and choose Liquidity to have it increased by at least $10,000 this quarter, so we know that trading for the coin is up, meaning we would have a higher chance of being able to sell our positions when we are ready. Because if liquidity is low, then there may not be any buyers available when we want to sell, which means we could be stuck holding the coins, because we can't sell if no one's buying or if there are not enough buyers to fill our sell order. Next, I'm going to add one more filter where experienced buyers have increased by at least 100 this quarter, so we can filter to try and see hopefully more credible and interesting projects. Cool. Now I'm going to click Run Query and see what we get. Amazing. We found one token that matched our parameters called Verse, with a security score of 99, coin age of 130 days, which means it was created about 4.5 months ago, a $9.3 million market cap, fully diluted valuation of about $227 million, an increase in 76 holders this week, 50 buyers this week, 145 experienced buyers this quarter, and liquidity is up $791,000. Nice. So to learn more about this coin, we can click on the contract address here, and it will open a new window with Dex tools showing a lot more information. Here we can check out the price chart to see how volatile it's been over the past few days, weeks, and months. In the bottom left, we can check out a breakdown of the security score or Dex score. We can see trading history below the chart, and using the links at the top below its name here, we can check out their social media profiles like Twitter, profiles if they have one on CoinGecko, and on CoinGecko we can see that this coin is up 12% in the past 30 days. Sweet. And when we go back to Morales Money, if we click on the project icon under the token column, it will show us the price as well as a buy button that will take us directly to the decentralized exchange called 1inch. And interestingly enough, as you can see, I wasn't able to access the exchange at first, but after turning on my virtual private network service provided by NordVPN and selecting a different location like Sweden, I was able to access it quickly and easily. So if you're interested in learning how to use decentralized exchanges before the next bull cycle, make sure you are able to access them by using a VPN. And if you scroll down and use the link below, NordVPN is offering us their 2-year plan at a discount, so be sure to check it out. So with the VPN, we are able to access 1inch, and here we can connect our wallets and trade some Ethereum for the Verse coin we found. Just for pretend and follow-up, I'm going to assume we bought 100,000 Verse tokens today for a total of about $108. And in later videos in the series, we will revisit what ended up happening in the short term with price action to see how we would have done. Amazing. So if you're interested in learning how to navigate the altcoin space before alt season, make sure you check out this video about the most important thing beginners should practice and get comfortable with, which is creating your own wallet and transferring crypto to it from exchanges. And also use the link to access the correct and official Morales Money website and start playing around with different filters and getting comfortable with the tool. I do not recommend FOMOing into any coins right now or trying to rush into getting into some positions yet. So take it slow, practice with pretend altcoin plays for now, and throughout this video series, we will learn the necessary skills to increase our chances of successful altcoin plays during alt season that will build our confidence as crypto investors overall. Like how to use crypto wallets step by step, how to use decentralized exchanges like 1inch, how to use tools like Morales Money to find gems before they pump, and much, much more. Awesome. If you would finally like to have that eureka moment about how cryptocurrency wallets, seed phrases, and private keys work, check out this video. If you would like to understand how Bitcoin works and why its revolutionary technology can help us maintain power over some of our wealth, check out this video. And to start exploring different altcoins using Morales Money, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.